Hi there! In today's video, I'm going to simplify the process of using Affirm for your Costco shopping. And trust me, it's a game changer for convenience. The first thing you should do is to visit Costco website and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Once you're ready, proceed to checkout. And during the checkout process, you'll notice the payment options, and here's where Affirm comes in. Click on the Affirm logo or select Pay with Affirm. Then Affirm might ask a few questions to set up your payment plan. You can pick the payment option that works for you and your budget. Take a moment to review the terms, check the total cost, the number of payments, and any fees. If everything looks good to you, confirm your purchase. Affirm provides you with various financing options, allowing you to select a payment plan that fits your budget. This way, you can make your Costco purchase and pay over time in manageable installments through Affirm. And there you have it. Using Affirm for your Costco purchase is done.